Hello, good morning. Our topic for today about 2020 model Escalade. The issue is the radio control or radio screen is blackout, and then the volume for the radio is working, and I put on reverse. The camera is rear camera is working. Here, one down, one bolt here, and the connector, this one on this side, and the HMI is here. This one. HMI. Okay, this is the connector of the HMI. So before you swap it, the HMI module, you must be inspection this connector, remove and disconnect. Remove all connector and disconnect. Sometimes this connector is lost. Press this lock and pull it. Yep. Because the issue only the connector sometimes is a loss. So return back. Now I'm already fixing the HMI. This HMI is from another vehicle, so I will try to ignition on if this monitor is a pair tip lock. So the problem, this old HMI is not working, so I will make ignition on. Yeah, but Arabic. So the problem, this meaning this step lock is meaning this word is step lock. So the problem is solved now.